Hi, 6th graders. Welcome to Learn and Share. We are doing pre-algebra for ages 11 to 12. Let's solve these problems using the order of operations. Problem 1. 7 minus 5 times 3 plus 2 cubed. Number 2. 36 minus 3 squared times 2 divided by 6. Number 3. 36 divided by 3 squared times 2 minus 6. And number 4, 3 by 7 divided by 8 by 7 plus negative 3 by 5 times 1 by 3. Do you want to try it yourself? Feel free to pause the video and try it yourself. Do you want to see how I solved it? I solved it in a step-by-step way. Let's see it. Problem 1. 7 minus 5 times 3 plus 2 cubed. We will have to multiply inside the parentheses first, meaning that we have to multiply 5 and 3. And we get 7 minus 15 plus 2 cubed. Now we have to evaluate the exponential expression, which is 2 cubed. This will give us 7 minus 15 plus 8. Our next step will be to add inside the brackets, and our expression will reduce to 7 minus 23. We can now subtract 23 from 7 and get negative 16. So our answer is minus 16. Number 2. 36 minus 3 squared times 2 divided by 6. We will have to divide inside the parentheses, meaning we have to divide 2 and 6. This will give us 36 minus 3 squared times 1/3. Now we'll have to evaluate the exponential expression. This will give us 36 minus 9 times 1/3. The next step is to multiply inside the brackets, and our expression will reduce to 36 minus 3. We can now subtract 3 from 36 and get 33. So our answer is 33. Problem 3. 36 divided by 3 squared times 2 minus 6. First, we have to evaluate the exponential expression within the parentheses, and since 3 squared is 9, we will get 36 divided by 9 times 2 minus 6. Now we will have to multiply inside the parentheses, meaning that we have to multiply 9 and 2. This means our expression will be 36 divided by 18 minus 6. We can now divide inside the brackets, which will give us 2 minus 6. Finally, we can subtract 6 from 2, which will give us negative 4. So our answer is negative 4. Problem 4. 3 by 7 divided by 8 by 7 plus negative 3 by 5 times 1 by 3. In this case, we don't have any operations with parentheses. So first, we'll do the division of the first two fractions, and then the multiplication of the last two fractions, and then add their results. In order to divide the first two fractions, we need to invert the divisor and multiply. We will get 3 by 7 times 7 by 8 plus negative 3 by 5 times 1 by 3. Now let's multiply the fractions 3 by 7 and 7 by 8, and negative 3 by 5 with 1 by 3. Now we have 3 by 8 plus negative 1 by 5. Now we have to find the LCM of 8 and 5, because in order to add these two fractions, the denominator needs to be the same. The LCM is 40, so this gives us 15 by 40 plus negative 8 by 40. When we add these two, we get 7 by 40, so our answer is 7 by 40. For learning more pre-algebra, click the link in the description box below. I hope you liked this video. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. See you. Bye.